In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your store name and logo to give your online shop a fresh, new look. Let's go through each step together to make this process as smooth as possible. To begin, we'll start by heading over to the store settings. This is where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in the store settings, you'll need to look for the option that says Customize Store. This section is the gateway to altering the aesthetics and branding elements of your store, allowing you to really make it your own. From here, you'll notice a sidebar with several options. We're focusing on the general settings here, so go ahead and click that. What you're looking for next is the Store Name and Logo segment. This is the area where you'll be able to input your new store name and upload a logo if you have one ready. In the Store Name field, type in the new name you've chosen for your store. This is an important step because your store name is a key element of your overall brand. Make sure the name you choose reflects the personality and essence of your business. If you want to take your branding a step further, consider uploading a logo in this same section. A logo is a great visual representation of your brand and can make a significant impact when customers visit your online store. If you have a logo file ready, simply upload it here. Keep in mind that your logo should be clear and of high quality to ensure it looks professional. After you've entered your new store name and uploaded your logo, your next step is crucial. You have two options in the top right corner to finalize your updates. You can choose to either save draft or publish. If you select Save Draft, this will store your changes without making them live yet. This option is especially useful if you're not quite ready for your customers to see these changes, or if you'd like to continue tweaking things before the final reveal. On the other hand, if you're ready for the world to see, click Publish. This will make your new store name and logo visible to everyone visiting your store. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your store's name and logo. Remember, a well-branded store creates a strong first impression and can set the tone for the customer experience. Don't hesitate to revisit these settings anytime you want to refresh your store's look. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to stick around for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and good luck with the rest of your store updates.